Here we have a Volkswagen Tiguan Allspace, 1.5 litre TSI, life 150 PS. The car's in great shape and it comes with a top spec, including adaptive cruise control with front assist, silver roof rails, brake assist, a dynamic road sign display, an anti-lock braking system, alongside these 18-inch Frankfurt alloy wheels. Now the boot just pops open and it's massive with the back two seats down. The interior has 3-zone climate control, an eCall emergency call service and a digital cockpit pro. So for more information, feel free to phone, email or pop into Western Volkswagen Newbridge.